Welcome. This review video covers useful expressions from today's lesson, with vocabulary, dialogue, speech practice, and translation practice. Part 1. Useful phrases and vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Typhoon.
台風
Typhoon. A typhoon is expected to approach the area this weekend. Heavy rain.
大雨
Heavy rain. We had heavy rain this morning. Moderate temperature.
ほどよい気温
Moderate temperature. The temperature is moderate today, although it feels damp. Bring rain.
雨をもたらす
Bring rain. The typhoon is still bringing rain to the region. Be affected by.
の影響を受ける
Be affected by. We may already be affected by the typhoon. Stock up on.
買いだめする、備蓄する
Stock up on. We stock up on canned food and drinking water. Just in case.
念のため
Just in case. We keep extra supplies just in case. Evacuation supplies.
避難用品
Evacuation supplies. Many people prepare evacuation supplies after an earthquake. Traditional performing art.
伝統芸能
Traditional performing art. Rakugo is a traditional Japanese performing art. Narrative storytelling.
物語を語る芸
Narrative storytelling. Rakugo is a form of narrative storytelling performed by one person. Ranking system.
序列制度
Ranking system. Rakugo has a strict ranking system. Prop fan.
小道具のセンス
Prop fan. The performer uses a prop fan and a hand towel. Part 2. Natural English dialogue. Listen to the natural version. A typhoon may arrive next Sunday. That means my group may need to stay overnight. Yes. Heavy rain could make travel difficult. We always stock up on canned food and drinking water just in case. That is a very practical habit. Rakugo is a traditional Japanese performing art with a long history. What do performers use on stage? They use only a fan and a hand towel. Part 3. Speech English only. Listen first, then practice reading aloud. A typhoon is expected to approach the area this weekend. We may already be feeling the effects of the typhoon. Although the temperature is around 30 degrees, It rained heavily this morning. The rain has made the day feel cooler. We always keep canned food and drinking water in stock. People often prepare evacuation supplies after an earthquake. Rakugo is one of Japan's traditional performing arts. A Rakugo performer sits on a cushion and tells a story alone. The performer uses only a fan and a hand towel. Rakugo has a long history and strict rules. Part 4. Translation Practice. Say the English during the silent pause.
今週末、台風が来るかもしれません。
A typhoon may come this weekend.
今朝は大雨でした。
We had heavy rain this morning.
台風の影響をすでに受けているかもしれません。
We may already be affected by the typhoon.
念のため、缶詰と飲み水を備蓄しています。
We stock up on canned food and drinking water just in case.
地震の後、多くの人が避難用品を準備します。
Many people prepare evacuation supplies after an earthquake.
落語は日本の伝統芸能です。
Rakugo is a traditional Japanese performing art.
演者は扇子と手ぬぐいだけを使います。
The performer uses only a fan and a hand towel.
落語には長い歴史があります。
Rakugo has a long history. Great work. Practice today's key phrases until they feel calm and automatic.